Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, as I promised that I'm going to upload different types of the dealership visit in Humanatic. So for today's video, I am going to share with you an example for yes at a lose time or range of time exceeding 1 hour. Okay, this would be the sample that we are going to listen in this call. Let's start.
Thank you for calling First Soy Dodge Jeep. This is Haley. How can I help you?
Yes, I recently just called about a talk.
Okay, you guys, the tip that I can teach you on how to maximize your earning is that when the first call, you have to listen first at minimum seconds. If you believe that you can tell that this is for the sales department, you can actually skip the conversation and click here at the end. Okay, so we will try to skip the conversation since I already know that this call is for the sales department. Okay, so we can skip this. So it's from here to here. We can skip the conversation and then we will listen at the end. Okay,
18 to 15, and we're looking for something four-wheel drive if we did a Tahoe and under 100.
and also if you find the person who is talking that it is too slow, so you can adjust the speed here down. Okay,
1,000 miles for under 40 grand.
So the other Tahoes that we'd have on the lot would be a 2019, and they range from anywhere from 44 to 56,000.
Okay, so y'all, okay. Alright, okay, well we're not going to look at that Durango that y'all have. It'll be a little bit later today though. And I got your address, so we'll just pop by when we get done.
okay. This call, the caller says that she's not going to visit for now, but later on she's going to visit the dealership. Okay, we'll continue to listen.
Whenever you get here, just go up to the front desk, and somebody should be able to help you. Okay?
Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.
Okay, so in this call you can definitely tell that the caller, she has an interest to visit the dealership. So, and also there is no specific time for the appointment, so this must be wrong too. Okay, not sure with your answer, you can go back here from the previous conversation.
Here in just a little bit. We have to see my son's football game here in Little Rock. We're from Texas, It's about to start here in about 5 minutes. It lasts about an hour. But I was really interested in looking at some Tahoes. Now, the one I called about had sold, but, it seemed like a really good deal. It's like a 15 model, four-wheel drive, and it was apparently under 30 grand. It didn't have didn't even have 100,000 miles on it, I was more wanting like a four-wheel drive Tahoe. I didn't know if y'all had anything else, kind of in that price range for that price, even though that one had sold.
You're looking for a vehicle under 30 grand.
Okay, so we will submit.
Yes, hello.
Okay, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I'm going to share another example. later, so I will add another example as I promised. So thank you so much for watching, and please click like and subscribe to my channel. If you like the content, please comment down below so that I will be able to upload another video. Bye!